So I just got these Bruno Marcs in the mail and I haven't even opened them yet. I'm gonna open them with you, but I remember based on the picture here, what I was getting. So I'm kind of excited about this. I have nothing like this. So let's slide down here and open them up. First of all, I love the packaging. They changed the logo here as well. I really like that. Okay, bam. So I realized recently, I don't really have a tennis shoe like to speak of in my closet. I have one pair of running shoes and they're like 8 years old. And this is kind of what I'm hoping to be my new just casual tennis shoe. I'm not gonna go running in them, but just, you could, but I just want to just have a tennis shoe for jeans and tennis shoes. So first impressions, the collar is pretty soft. In fact, actually quite soft. There's like this whole, you can see how that ridge just pops out like a whole 3/4 of an inch. That's gonna feel really nicely. You could probably go barefoot with these. Look at the inside there. Look how airy that is. And then how airy this is. I mean, this is like transparent. Can you see that? I mean, it's just gonna be so cool and light, and the texture is like a really hardened plastic or something, but it feels like it's gonna be super lightweight, breathable. I like it. It's got that kind of internal sock built in. This little wavy texture on the side is quite cool. I just was struck by the look. Very white, but kind of an off-white. Like I've got some white shoes on right now, and you can see that's not the exact same white. It's a little bit of an off-white, tiny bit cream, a little bit of a gray here. Man, I like it. All right, the bottom looks like going to outer space. This is cool. All right, I'm just gonna throw them on and I will let you know how they feel. First impressions though are really good. Oh my gosh, that is like slipping into a marshmallow. I mean, yeah, it's soft, it feels soft, but like it just feels so light. In fact, I'm gonna go with this other one. I'm gonna go sockless just to see if that's possible. I'm a big fan of socks because I don't like that feeling when you don't have socks, but these look so like the kind of shoe that you could go sockless on, so we'll just try it. All right, wow. Okay, I can't tell you enough, this is so light, so lightweight, so airy. I can feel the coolness of this shoe even compared to this one just having the sock. Let me flip this camera around, go for a walk, and I'll give you my thoughts along the way. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna go sockless because my feet, my toes rub up against that fabric. And so it's because I told you it's a little bit of a plasticky kind of feel. That's gonna negate that. I'm not going sockless. I want a sock, though I'm gonna get something that's maybe a thinner no-show sock. As far as the comfort, the only discomfort I feel is the top of my foot rubbing against that plastic. The bottom of my foot, it is a lot of cushion. Like I would say of a scale to 1 to 10, I mean, even compared to like, you wearing your name brand, athletic shoes, this is like, bottom cushion is like 8 out of 10. And lightweight, I mean, goodness, you really could run in these. Whew, I like it. Okay, so I just did one little lap. Let me do another one just to make sure. I was telling you about the collar, just around the collar, it's soft. There is no rubbing happening there. That feels really nice. So the grip is interesting. It's definitely got grip. I would say medium. It's not like overly grippy. It's medium, but it's just such an interesting grip with the way those waves are. I don't even know how to explain that. It's just different. But it also, the way that those waves are on the bottom of the shoe kind of is part of why it's so soft and it rebounds well. I like them. Okay, so I need some tennis shoes, and this is a sporty, styly way of doing tennis shoes. I wanted it to be like just really plain, and these are plain as far as color, not a whole lot of distractions, although it does have a couple of little elements just to kind of bring some style, that gray, the texture. So takeaways, very impressed, very lightweight, very comfortable, a lot of bounce, but do not go sockless. That was a failed experiment, but all in all, the shoe's great. All right, these are from Bruno Marc. Oh, gotta get lower. These are from Bruno Marc. I like Bruno Marc, and I like these shoes. Hope this helps you. Have a great day. Oh, they did send these to me for a review, and I'm happy to do the review for them. Have a good one.